People, what's good? Today we're going to be checking out Freein and their Explorer kayak. We have the 12-foot 6-inch tandem model, perfect for two people. And bam, just like that. We have everything out on the table that comes with the Freein Tandem Kayak. Let's take a look, shall we? So first of all, we're going to have like a nice double action pump right here. We have the kayak itself, which is pretty light. We have one set of paddles, so they're like a 4-piece paddle. Here's another paddle broken down into 2 pieces. We'll go over everything else a little bit more in detail. We have a user manual, 2 chairs. Now the nice things about these chairs I'm noticing is we've got some zipper action. I don't know if you can see right there on the sides. And it kind of brings the side in a little bit more, makes it a little bit more stable, it feels like initially. You got your tube of goodness with your repair kit. With our fin right here. And then of course the bag. Bag is kind of interesting. It's like a duffel bag, so it definitely seems like you'd be able to get it in there. It's quite large. So anyway, we're gonna get the kayak inflated for you here out in the yard. Show you what it looks like with everything included put into it. Kayak's looking pretty nice, huh? Yeah, look at that thing. I like the color. It's popping. All right, so what we're dealing with here is essentially the kayak is 2 pieces. So there's like the outer piece, which includes like the pontoons and everything else. And then we have like the center piece here, which is kind of like a sup or something like that. And we have like the little drop stitch flooring with all the little dimples. I have like the thread that goes down, so then you can have the increased air pressure, kind of make it more rigid. Yeah, that's the secret sauce. So with getting it set up, what we're doing is we're just kind of putting in and making sure that the centerpiece here with the drop stitch, that we're kind of just tucking up and along the sides, and that it's kind of centered up with the kayak just centered up as a whole, because otherwise if you inflate it, it's going to kind of get wonky. For inflation, we have the 3 valves here, so one on each side with pontoons and then one in the middle. Works great with the included pump. It's going to take probably about 10 to 15 minutes. Valve action, you just want to make sure these things are in the upright position. You can just go ahead and depress them here, give it a little turn, and then you're good to go. For the PSI to inflate this to, I mean, you can refer to the user manual, and then we'll also have a link, obviously, so you can pick up your own Freein Sup kayak, and that's going to have all the super specifications for you at that point as well.
Freein Sup hand pump. The included pump is a dual action pump, and it takes about 10 to 15 minutes to completely inflate this kayak. It looks like it's doing a pretty good job.
All right, so we have it kind of squared up here, ready for some inflation. Fully inflated. Yes, she is. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and attach the chairs. Now the chairs don't have, the seats rather, they don't have Velcro on the bottom of them. So we are going to attach them to all these lovely D-rings and kind of get them cinched in there, nice and comfy. Here she is, all set up, put together. Or him, he, I don't know. Might be a she. But yeah, the seats in there, they fit in real nice with the D-rings. It seems like we have a real nice secure fit. Have the paddles together. I mean, this is kind of, it's a little bit more supportive, I think, than maybe our seat on our paddle board. Yeah, looks like plenty of room in between the seats. Up front, there's still ample room to kind of throw some dry bag under there. We got our bungees up top, and this handle is really nice. Both handles on this, nice handles. and the front up quite a bit. Should help out. A little bit of chop maybe. Real world, just kind of taking our time, 2 people, about 15 minutes from start to finish. No hurry. On the included paddles, while there isn't a height adjustment, they do have a little adjustment right here for some feathering, it appears. So that's nice. And there's also kind of like a thickened area right there, if you can see it, for the meatiness of your hand. Makes it comfy. Somewhat glove-like. Somewhat. So the back here for our fin, it's just going to slide right in. Let's do it the right way here. It's sunny out. It's my excuse. But yeah, one-hand operation. Slides right in. And then we have kind of our little key right here. I'm just going to put that through there. The right way, of course, though. Like such. Fin attached. This thing's pretty solid too. That drop stitch, it's no joke. Take out the fin, you just have to kind of depress right there and then pull or push it out at the same time. Deflation's pretty much going to be the same on all 3 valves. I'm just going to open this thing up. It's going to be loud, prepare yourselves. You're going to push down right here and then give it kind of like a quarter turn. And there you go. A better look at the carry bag. So see, it's like a duffel type of thing. Should fit. Let's try it. Folding it up time. So what we're doing is we're bringing the sides in. That side's already in, this side isn't. And then from there we're going to fold it inward and get it down small enough. I'll show you. So yeah, something kind of like this. Folding it in on the sides and then folding it down from the ends. Maybe? All right, so I have it back in the bag and there's a little room on the bottom. Whoop. Little room on the top. You know, about like yay much room, and a little bit on the bottom. But it seemed like definitely the way to do it was folding in the sides. Without that, it wouldn't have worked. So we'll cinch it up, see if we can pack this stuff away in here. Real world. So got it in there, got the seats in there, and the shadows. Got the seats in there and the kayak itself. So, you know, I probably could get the paddles in here, to be completely honest with you, and maybe even the pump, but I don't want to push it. It's a thin bag. I don't want to rip this thing, but you know, it did get in there. We're able to cinch it up a little bit too, so this is a bonus. A lot of times you can't get these things back in the bag, or once in a while. It happens. We'll just say that it happens. This one went in the bag though. What's up, people? Windy day, but a nice day. We're gonna try out the Freein Sup. There's a Jenny. We're gonna put it out on the lake here. This one. We got the crew up there doing some final preparations on another one of the inflatables. And the main voyage is almost before us. I like these pans. I don't know. I don't know why. I watch YouTube videos too, and that's all I see from what I watch. Pans. So it teaches me to do pans. And away we go. Looks like you have some maneuverability there, huh? Yeah, that's positive. go check on the paddler's progress, shall we? Oh, there's an airplane. Right there. Almost didn't make it. Shouldn't have stopped to look at the airplane. Thought I had more time. How's it going?
Good. It's a little windy, but it's great.
You guys are like syncing up like pros. Look at that.
Yeah.
Nice work. Yeah, look at the colors though. Fall colors. It is windy, so sorry about any little wind, but beautiful day out. We're going to see if they can bring it in right here and dock it. Maybe that one right there. Wind and all. Got the approach. I don't know if they have the angle. They're fighting it. Let's see. Do I know what I'm talking about? Never. Docking. Docking. Ooh, you brought the wind with you. Docking complete in windy conditions. Great job, guys. Water. Boats. Planes.
Adios, guys.
Bye, people. We had a successful extraction.
Yeah.
Very well done. I'm picking up another passenger now.
Passenger, sit on your bottom. Passenger. It's the daddy taxi.
Daddy taxi. And off we go. Woo! There we go. You're in.
In.
Whoa, we're taking off just like that?
Okay, so far this is a fun kayak. We've been out here for a little while and the maneuverability is insane.
You're under Pat power right now, by the
I
way,
know.
people.
I love it. So I can take a little break and Pat can power us. But what's crazy awesome is that there's two people in this kayak.
Yeah.
Like it's really fun. Again, the weight capacity on this thing is 720 pounds. I think that we could probably add a dog in here or two.
Oh yeah, not cool.
It seems pretty roomy. I really like this. This is fun. We need to take this out again and like have a picnic. A picnic in the middle of the lake. Kayak and picnics. Lake house living. I think I'd like that. I think that we should look into lake house living. What do you think, babe?
Maybe.
Maybe.
Maybe. I don't know. I feel like it could be a little pricey.
It probably is incredibly pricey.
Kayak situations. And away we go. Yeah. Little kayak situations. All right, people, let's enjoy some sights and the sounds of the lake. Inflatable kayak style.
we have 2 kiddos out there now. Both boys are out paddling and they're doing really, really well. They are arriving to shore.
You guys coming back in, or are you just going by? Oh, they're just tricking us.
Yeah, they're passing by actually.
They're still on top of the water though. That's a good thing.
Yeah.
I gotta tell you, I mean, this thing, it goes through the water pretty well, really. I mean, you can see we've got some wind, we've got some current. We're doing another dock transfer, which can only mean one thing. Everybody's having a great time, right? Yeah. Kayak situations.
I'm having an amazing time out on this kayak. It's been fun to have all of the kids switch out and people to be able to go together in a tandem kayak. I really, really, really have enjoyed myself.
So really, like, the kayak's tracking, I think, pretty well, considering the conditions we have with the wind and the different paddles and of course the kiddos. It's doing really well though. All right, people, here's the deal. I think that this is an amazing value budget kayak. This is perfect for like families. If you're a bigger person or you want more room, this is perfect for you too. This is a recommend. This is a 100% recommend. It's a windy day. Hopefully you can hear me. But yeah, this is a 5 out of 5, 10 out of 10, 100 out of 100. It's a pretty nice product. Again, the links are going to be down below, or check it out. So you saw 2 adults, you saw a couple different grouping of kids. I mean, it's a fun time. It's a great time out on the lake. Kid, is it fun?
Yes.
Kids agree. And it handles the, we have just a little bit of chop. Does really well with it. Does amazing. People, thanks for watching. We appreciate it. Consider subscribing if you're new in town. And until we see you again, keep your nose clean. Bye.